Year 12 students, I bet you can't solve this in under 3 minutes without making a mistake. This stationary points question has caught out thousands of HSC students. Think you're ready? Let's test your skills. Step 1. Differentiate using the quotient rule. If you need a quick refresher on differentiation rules, check out my Power Rule Masterclass. Video link is in the description. Now, applying the rule. Step 2. Simplify. Factor out e to the x from the top and cancel it with the bottom. You get f prime of x equals x times 2 minus x all over e to the x. Step 3. Solve f prime of x equals 0. Since e to the x is never 0, we just set x times 2 minus x to 0. This gives x equals 0 or x equals 2. Step 4. Find the stationary points. Plug the x values back into the original function. F of 0 is 0, giving the point 0, 0. F of 2 is 4 over e squared, giving the point 2, 4 over e squared. Step 5. Sign test. Check the gradient around the points. For x less than 0, the gradient is negative. Between 0 and 2, it is positive. After 2, it is negative. Final answer. Minimum turning point at 0, 0. Maximum turning point at 2, 4 over e squared. Subscribe for more. Comment below what you find hard and I'll cover it next.